20 hours after the blast in Hyderabad, we have seen our leaders very, very angry. The opposition pointing accusing fingers at the government hitting back. The state blaming the centre and vice versa. That's common stuff. 16 lives have been lost, but for our politicians, it is business as usual. They remain busy doing what they do best. Protect their turf and accuse the other party. But as they squabble, an entire nation pays the price.
The twin blast took place in a busy locality of Dilsukh Nagar area.
They have conducted recce in Hyderabad.
जानकारी होने के बाद भी घटना घटती है.
A day after the attack, politicians who should be asking themselves questions as to why and how they failed India did not even waste a moment to score political points and shun the blame. Sample this.
National safety is not the responsibility of one person or one organization. We need to get our act together and have a swift response system. And if it means the NTTC, then so be it. I wish people would see it that way.
नेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसी ने जो स्टेट्स को संदेश भेजा उसमें स्पेसिफिकली हैदराबाद का नाम है. मुजाहिदीन ने, लश्करी तोयबा ने, पब्लिकली हफीज सईद ने स्टेटमेंट दिया. हम लोग जो कसब और अफजल गुरु को जो फांसी पे चढ़ाया उसका बदला लेंगे, ऐसा उन्होंने स्पष्ट रूप में कह दिया. इससे और क्या चाहिए? और ये सरकार पूरा टेररिज्म का मामला को कैजुअल ले रहे, गंभीरता से जो समस्या को लेना चाहिए उसके लिए वो सरकार तैयार नहीं है. हमारा हिसाब से ये कोई पॉलिटिकल इश्यू नहीं है, ये देश का सुरक्षा के साथ जुड़े हुए मामला है.
But protest as they might, they cannot run away from the fact that their actions have compromised India's security. Here's what we mean. In the first instance, the Hyderabad blasts have shown that there is a need for better intelligence sharing between the state and the centre. This was exactly what was felt after 26/11 and therefore the NCTC was mooted. But sadly, insecurities over turf meant that our politicians conspired against this vital need and compromised our safety. Perhaps the most evil of games that politicians have played is that they have tried to communalize politics to win votes. Whether it is politicizing the hanging of terrorists or using religion to drive a wedge in society, politicians have given radicals the support that they have been seeking to influence young minds and plot against India.
बताओ मेरे भाई, अरे ऐसा जुल्म, ऐसा सितम हमारे साथ हुआ, हमको इंसाफ नहीं मिला.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी हो या आरएसएस के हो, उनकी जो ट्रेनिंग कैंप है वो हिंदू टेररिज्म बढ़ाने का काम देख रहे हैं.
आणि महाराष्ट्राचे पोलीस जर तिकडे जाऊन त्या गुन्हेगारांना पकडण्यात तुम्ही जर अडथळे आणले तर भविष्यामध्ये महाराष्ट्रामध्ये राहणारा प्रत्येक बिहारी हा घुसखोर आहे म्हणून आम्ही घाबरून नाही.
The words and deeds of politicians are just as responsible as our tardy intelligence set up for the terror attacks that are bleeding India. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.